Good evening, guys. So tonight we're going to be working on the 2023 Toyota Sequoia, and we have here today brother Teo. He's going to help us out install the rear king suspension. So as of now, he's going to remove the rear tires. You think we're gonna finish this tonight? The rears?
Yeah, the rear should be
fine. Easy. So I'm just gonna clean this right now so Teo have a clean workspace. Since I can't do anything. Passenger side is out. How quick did you pull out the driver's side? Like 10 minutes?
Yeah.
So now you just need to take off the stock spring. Nice. You did this side faster. This is probably 5 minutes. So that's the old suspension. I mean the stock TRD suspension. Oh, keep it. It's yours.
Okay.
Icon. So this is our icon. That's the stock one. As you can see the difference in the height. It's like Christmas time, huh?
I know.
Opening presents. There you go. You like that blue?
Yeah. Damn, this is nice.
Oh, it came with this one already.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to take off this cover so you can install the mounting hardware. Do you read or just look at the picture?
Pictures only, bro.
This is your rig. You do the honors. Go ahead.
First honors.
First honors. Peel the plastic.
Tao ba to?
King. Try to stand next to it.
Take two. Yo.
There you go.